go. Yeah, said swag, nigga, go. Yeah. No wonder why she like my swag. My self-esteem be smoking weed, it's always time to pack that light. She call me daddy, but I ain't her dad. She call me over cause she was too fast. And I did the weather than Michael Plus medals and make her say Jesus like she's seen the devil. Chase that nigga, got her finished, so after we finish it, we repeating, and I had her head spinning like a next third. I'm like Jerry Roses, got the business, Come Jacob, but the girls like me, cause of how I treat them. Don't disrespect them, but I hope they'll treat them. While you trying to meet them, I'm trying to delete them. Put it down in the club, make it hang up, spin it around, make it jump. Make it hang, give me the business, and she work it. I'm making her sweat, you can't hear it cause it sounds on. But my swag make her mom. My swag, she making her mom, she making her mom, just turn around. But my swag, she making her mom, she making her mom. Yeah, baby, she making her mom. My swag, be making her sweat, she making me sweat. She love my text, call me baby bitch, cause she know I'm gonna snag. Yeah, gotta make it rain, gon' drop that thing. You a damn loose tank, don't pick it up, bum. Got sex on Nick, yeah, nigga, I stunt. You can make it rain, I'ma make it thump. Yes, I'm on. Yes, the swag is mind blown. In my zone, so it hit a pin drop, not spinning like a cyclone. Know these haters, out the room, yeah, B.I.P. sitting on the throne. You see, I got a back six, tryna creep on up, and I like it when she back it up. She put it down in the club. She make it hang up, she spin it around, make it drop. She make it look like it, me, her spin it, say she work it. I'm making her sweat, and you can't hear it cause it sounds on. But my swag make her mom. My swag, she making her mom. She making her mom. I just turn around. But my swag, she making her mom. She making her mom. Yeah, baby, making her mom. To the room, I'm breaking necks. Now take your shit in here, switch next. She came over here on her own. Don't be scared, keep your throne. I just came in the game to keep it real, to let it be known. But I got so